Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to clear cache to get extra storage on your phone. So every application will has their cache to use to saving some several data on the system, and as well as the Capcut applications too. So here is the way to clear the cache on a Capcut. You just need to open your Capcut application and just go into the settings button by the symbol. And whenever you arrive in this part, you just need to scrolling down until you found this clear cache. And now you just need to go click it to clear the cache and confirm that you want to clear the cache on this Capcut application. And now you can see that the cache is already cleared on the application. So that's the way how to get extra storage by clearing the cache on the Capcut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is very useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.